What is this game? Anyhow, we're here on Princess Cruises Majestic. Just got free games. Long Fei Feng Wu. 8 free games. Let's go. Let's get some more free games to re-trigger. Get some great line pays. Free games. There we go. No? No additional games on that one. Damn it. Oh, whatever that is looks good. Another rooster, another phoenix. $6.75 bet. $8.25 so far. We need more than that. $11.25. 2 more free games. Second day of gambling on the cruise. A lot of wilds. And goat noise came out. That was funny. Last spin. Let's go, let's go. Last spin, or we get some re-triggers. That'll wrap it up. Almost a 3x, and so nothing wild. To the next.